my channel. Today is day 3 Flamenco dance challenge for bulerias. In day 1, we look at how to enter, how to stay, and how to get on the stage. And yesterday we looked at dancing for one letra and call for another letra. So you have enough materials for you to be able to dance and dancers, flamenco dancer with a confidence. Today, I would like to talk about what it look like and what kind of situation you will get when you dance and improvise on the stage or in the fiesta. So I'm gonna use one of my videos, and when the singers didn't give me a song or when we did tapeo. Tapeo is the rhythmical things. What are you supposed to do or what can you do? And how to solve the problem, because this kind of things nobody told me, and I was, oh my god, so bad, and I was making mistakes on the stage because I didn't know. I only knew how to dance. That was only choreography, so I couldn't even dance when there was no my musicians. We choreograph everything together, and if they are not my guitarist that they supposed to know, then so for the people who are watching my video, at least I thank you guys a lot. Pure, authentic flamenco thing comes from heart, right? So let's look at together. If you have any question, please ask me on the comments. So I finished remate and zapateado and remate, and now I wanna have letra. But cantaor is not singing, and this is purely improvised. So I did remate to get songs. Okay, so instead of giving me a songs, they did tapao, the rhythmical things. So what do you do when you have this situation? Here you can do a marcaje like I'm doing, or also you can do a zapateado and enjoy the moments to be there. I'm gonna do it tomorrow when this kind of things happened, what you can do for zapateado. Okay, I did remate, so that's maybe cantaor can give me letra, please. Thank you, the letra is coming. So I started with remate when there was a hole. Do you remember? I explained to you yesterday. And it's exactly the same stuff, pataita. And now we are going to go irnos, no? Llamada and remate, and then Kina go to the corner and go. So did you see when the singer didn't sing? It doesn't mean bad or not, it's just the harmony that created. In that moment there was need to have some kind of musical things and tapeo. So we have to communicate in the moment, and the beautiful things about flamenco is when that happens and understand each other. It's like not expressed with the words. It's like a memory you have and just like it's not like a photo, it's like a video, it's the moments, good feeling. As you can see, I have a few pataitas and marcajes, different, about 3 or 5, up to 5 styles. I don't have more. And do it again, and more importantly, to communicate with the musician and find your color and uniqueness. Your dance will accelerate change. Here's, I want to say, for example, Camila, she does the same marcaje and she has her pace. That's what authentic flamenco is. And Farquito, they have from their family traditional authentic. Abuelo, grandfather, gave his pataita to his family, and he still does his pataita. It's not like, okay, we learn today this, tomorrow this, and the other day this, and you will never gonna be able to give a one message that makes difference to your flamenco and to yourself and to the audience. When you have it in your head, then that you can something that you can expand to them, right? For example, in my experience, I learn new things, right? And if I do it only once or like maybe 30 times and just try it on the stage, that doesn't look like my steps, because it's someone's and I have to fully understand or make it on my way. That's why it's important to do many times, 100 times or 1,000 or life. Because the Fernanda, the ukulele, the singers, she always sings the same letra for the soleá. That's why she is the king reina of soleá. Right? And a lot of traditional singers are like that. Tapao, she has the ukulele, the bulerias. I don't know how many times I listened to her songs. That's how you make your brand, and that's you, that's your personality, and that's the important things in life in general, because that's you. So you have to dance who you are, and you have to find your uniqueness. That's how people recognize you, and that's how you enjoy it. Because I've been dancing in Spain, and I've struggled so many years that I try to look like Spanish people. I look like obviously Japanese, and people who came to my Tapao, they just said like, are you wanna dance, or are you a dancer? And yes, and at one point I just didn't want to be in front of anyone, because people just go like, are you gonna dance? And after that they were quite happy, they were very happy. It's really hard on the review, but I struggled so many years, because I wanted to look like someone, and I wanted to do a lot of technique, and I wanted to do a lot of new patadita and new steps, and that's not how you find yourself. How you find yourself is to understand who you are. I am Japanese and I have this body, and I started to learn when I was 23 years old. That's me. I'm gonna be who I am and what I like, because I fell in love with flamenco on the stage. I went to the Jerez, Feria. I just fell in love with the situation that what I saw was from the baby and kids to the grandmother and grandfather. They were dancing. They were dancing in a feria, like, you know, cantando and tocando palma. That's me. That's what I like. I'm not trying to be a #1 flamenco artist. And if you find for the good, better technique or the best technique, you will always find someone who is better than you. So you will struggle. You will find it difficult to. And psychologically, mentally, I think it's difficult, because you never get enough. So it's just like, oh wow, you know, like, and if you are you, people will recognize, as I said. And I've struggled for many years, and after I realized, you know what, I'm just gonna be like who I am. I don't have a lot of technique. I am Japanese. And I just love flamenco, and I have passion. I left everything and came here to be a dancer. That's all I have. I have a simple message. I don't have many things, and I don't like when I see people or myself doing a lot of things and what is the message, and finish with like the person say, you know. So for me, it's finding that. After finding that, and after having my uniqueness and understanding that, I started to be in front of people and just don't care anymore what they say. Like, oh, so you're gonna dance? So, you know, are you gonna be a are you the one who's gonna be dancing here and performer as a principal dancer? Yes. But you don't look Japanese, Spanish. No, I'm from Japan. What I do, and if you like it, come to my place. If not, then I think you better find a place where Spanish people or, you know, non-Japanese people dance. There is a place in Torremolinos, there is a place in Malaga. As I used to say, when you have that confidence, not confidence as like I'm I'm a good or anything like that. Never be that kind of person. To find uniqueness, you feel safe. You feel comfortable. You feel like, oh wow, I can express as how I feel and who I am. And then later, people started to tell me. People started to give me a comment that some people, right, the students or the people who have visited us so many times, they say they've seen a lot of flamenco or in Granada or Madrid or Sevilla, but you are so different in a positive way. And I was like, oh my god, thank you for your notable face and stuff, because it really means to me. And I think it's not because I'm special, it's because I try to find my uniqueness, simply dance from my heart, and what I can do is what I can do. I can't be like Paquito or Carmen Amaya, never and ever. So here's the patadita and marcaje that I gave. So we can share my patadita and stuff. We haven't done this one, maybe we can do it like in the other day. Even you have the same patadita with me, you're not gonna dance like who I am, because you are a different person and you have to find your feeling to it in the patadita. The patadita I dance or any flamenco that I do really simple steps. For me, I'm so simple person, I don't have many things, you know, so you will be able to express and the sounds, because I explain what is 3 and 6 and intention and how it sounds. That's super important. And when you look at other people dancing, if the person doesn't have that, you can notice that look like they are doing their steps. So work on what we learned, and tomorrow I'm gonna do a zapateado. Zapateado that you can do when you have a place that people say, do tapeo, do the music part. Only the music, tapao. That's tapao. And there you can do any zapateado or marcaje, and then llamada and remate. So I'm going to show you the zapateado part, what you can do and what you can practice. So don't forget to come tomorrow to my channel and subscribe. By the way, I'm going to make a private Facebook group about flamenco, story of flamenco, so that we can share the struggles, experience, and we can help each other to have a confidence to be a dancer, to dance, without rehearsal. And if you want to be a professional, whatever the goal you have. And I missed that part because all the girls I started with together, they are not dancing anymore, and I decided to create the story of flamenco group so that we can share and help and have our friendships. So if you want to join for story of flamenco for the community, for friendship, helping, and struggles, and answering questions, Q&A, and I'm gonna start doing a live as well so that people can ask me on live. Send me your email address that I'm gonna add you to the group. Okay? My email address is down below, a.ikeda418@gmail.com, but I'm gonna write it down anyway. Okay, enjoy it and tell me how you get on.